Good morning guys, welcome to sunny and beautiful Albania. I'm still here in the capital Tirana, but today we're going out of the city. We're going to make a little trip to Mount Dajti. Dajti is a mountain range not so far from Tirana. We're gonna take a bus now and then we're gonna take a cable car. First thing we gotta do is actually find the bus. I've been looking around for like 10 minutes and I need to find the bus to Porcelan, but so far I haven't seen it yet. So maybe it's here. We can actually see the mountains up there. Dajti is here. Dajti?
Dajti.
Yes. This is the bus, guys, number 11. There are many people. I'll go in the front so I can pay. I can pay for a ticket. This bus is full, guys. I tried to pay, but he didn't want my money, so I guess we're riding for free. So apparently I have to buy the ticket from this guy here. Now one ticket is 40 lek, which is less than 40 euro cents.
Dajti Express.
Thank you. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Alright guys, we got off the bus. And now we have to walk. I'm not exactly sure what way, but the guy showed me this way, so let's go there. The bus stop is not actually where the cable car starts, so when you get off the bus, you have the choice: you walk 15 minutes or you wait for a shuttle bus. I don't know when the shuttle bus comes. I've been told it comes every 30 minutes. But I like a little walk, so we're just gonna walk up this hill here to the start of the cable car. And behind me you can see all the other people who also came by bus and are also walking to the cable car. We are really in the outskirts of Tirana now, between the center and the actual mountain. And we just have to follow the signs here. Dajti Express. Dajti Express is the name of the cable car to go up to the top of the mountain. And at the top there's a restaurant, there is a beautiful viewpoint, of course. There is even mini golf and adventure park. Plenty of activities to do. But first let's try to reach the cable car. We go up and then we will see what we can do there. We are really leaving the habitated area of Tirana. We're walking towards the mountain, and here in the end we can already see the building. Again, it's a very hot day here in Tirana. Must be 33, 34 degrees. Full sun, blue sky. Not a single cloud in the sky. We are arriving at the entrance. Dajti Express. Live, laugh, enjoy. And here we can see actually the mini golf. You can also do some skating. You have like the panoramic view there, which has a restaurant as well.